Bangkok, the vibrant capital of Thailand, pulsates with an energy that is both chaotic and captivating. Once a small trading center known as Siam, Bangkok has blossomed into a sprawling metropolis. Its streets blend ancient temples and modern skyscrapers, reflecting its rich history and rapid development. Metro Manila, the bustling heart of the Philippines, is a melting pot of cultures and histories. Comprised of 16 cities, including Manila, Metro Manila boasts a colonial past evident in its architecture. Both cities pulse with the energy of Southeast Asia, offering a sensory experience that is both exhilarating and overwhelming. For many, the allure of Southeast Asia lies in its affordability. Both Bangkok and Metro Manila offer a cost of living significantly lower than many Western countries, but a closer look reveals notable differences. Bangkok consistently ranks as one of the most affordable cities in the world for expats. From street food delights costing mere dollars to affordable housing options, Bangkok allows your money to stretch further. Metro Manila, while still relatively affordable, presents a higher cost of living compared to Bangkok. Rent, groceries, and transportation tend to be pricier, particularly in central areas like Makati and Bonifacio Global City. However, those willing to venture to the outskirts of the metropolis will find more budget-friendly options. Ultimately, the cost of living in both cities depends heavily on lifestyle choices. Those seeking a luxurious lifestyle will find comparable expenses in both cities, while those embracing a more local and budget-conscious approach will find Bangkok to be the more affordable option. Safety is paramount when choosing a city to call home. Both Bangkok and Metro Manila have their share of challenges, as with any major metropolis. However, Bangkok consistently ranks high in safety indices for Southeast Asian cities. Its generally peaceful atmosphere and low violent crime rates provide a sense of security for residents and visitors alike. Metro Manila unfortunately faces greater challenges in terms of safety. Petty crime can be a concern, particularly in crowded areas. It's important for residents and visitors to exercise caution and be aware of their surroundings, especially at night. As with any urban environment, awareness and common sense go a long way in ensuring personal safety. While Bangkok enjoys a reputation for being a relatively safe city, it's always wise to exercise caution. The cleanliness of a city can greatly impact the quality of life for its residents. Bangkok has made significant strides in recent years in terms of cleanliness. Public awareness campaigns and government initiatives have led to cleaner streets and public spaces. While certain areas may still exhibit the grit typical of Southeast Asian cities, overall, Bangkok presents a relatively clean and well-maintained environment. Metro Manila unfortunately faces challenges in maintaining cleanliness, particularly in densely populated areas. Traffic congestion and improper waste disposal contribute to air and environmental pollution. Efforts are underway to address these issues, but it's an ongoing process. For those who prioritize cleanliness and environmental consciousness, Bangkok generally offers a more pleasant urban experience. Bash, in 5, education and healthcare, a city-specific approach. Choosing a city to call home often involves considering the needs of a family, particularly in terms of education and healthcare. Metro Manila boasts a significant advantage in terms of English-speaking schools. The Philippines has a long history of English as an official language, resulting in a high level of English proficiency among the population. This translates to a wider selection of international schools and English medium institutions. Bangkok, while offering a growing number of international schools, faces a language barrier as English is not as widely spoken. However, the quality of international education in Bangkok is high, and many schools offer excellent English language programs. In terms of healthcare, Metro Manila again has an edge with internationally recognized hospitals and a larger pool of English-speaking medical professionals. Bangkok also has excellent healthcare facilities, but communication may pose a challenge for non-Thai speakers. 6. Lost in translation, language can be both a barrier and a bridge when adapting to a new city. Metro Manila's high level of English proficiency makes it incredibly easy for English speakers to navigate daily life. From ordering food to accessing services, communication is rarely an issue. Bangkok, on the other hand, presents a language barrier for those unfamiliar with the Thai language. While English is spoken in tourist areas and by those in the service industry, venturing beyond the beaten path may require some basic Thai phrases. However, this language barrier can also be an opportunity to immerse oneself in a new culture and learn a new language. Many language schools in Bangkok offer immersive programs to help expats quickly grasp the basics of Thai. 7. Navigating the urban jungle. Navigating a new city can be daunting, making efficient and affordable transportation essential. Bangkok shines in this regard, boasting an impressive public transportation system. From the modern BTS SkyTrain to the underground MRT, an extensive network of buses and boats, getting around Bangkok is convenient and affordable. Metro Manila, unfortunately, grapples with traffic congestion that can turn even a short commute into a lengthy ordeal. While the MRT and LRT offer some respite, they don't cover the entire metropolis. When it comes to air travel, Bangkok again takes the lead with its modern and efficient Suvarnabhumi Airport, a major hub for Southeast Asia. Metro Manila's airport has faced criticism for its outdated infrastructure and congestion. 8. Finding your tribe, the expat factor. Both Bangkok and Metro Manila boast thriving expat communities, offering a sense of familiarity and support for those far from home. Bangkok's expat community is vast and diverse, with individuals from all walks of life calling the city home. Numerous expat groups and social events cater to a variety of interests, making it easy to connect with like-minded individuals. Metro Manila's expat community, while smaller than Bangkok's, is equally welcoming and supportive. The shared experience of navigating life in a foreign country creates a strong bond among expats. Whether seeking social connections, professional networking opportunities, or simply a taste of home, both cities offer a welcoming environment for expats. 9. The verdict is yours. Choosing between Bangkok and Metro Manila as a place to live is a deeply personal decision. Bangkok beckons with its affordability, safety, cleanliness, and efficient infrastructure. Metro Manila, on the other hand, offers a high level of English proficiency, internationally recognized hospitals, and a unique blend of cultures. Ultimately, the best city for you depends on your individual priorities, lifestyle, and aspirations. So, weigh your options, listen to your heart, and embark on an adventure in the city that speaks to your soul.